Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's choose Languages and Input and tap on Languages. And here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. So in order to add new one, just tap on Add a Language, and here we have been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So you've got plenty of options to choose from. So actually all you have to do right now is simply find the language you want to use and tap on it. For example, French. Now you can choose the region, so let me tap on this one, for example, and as you can see, it immediately appears on our list, but the whole system language hasn't changed. And in order to set the new language as a main one, as a default one, simply tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. So of course, if you'd like to change it again, just do the same. So go to the languages, tap on the one you want to use, and drag it to the very first position. Of course, if you'd like to remove it, just tap on the three dots icon, in the right upper corner, tap on Remove. That was a misclick, so tap on Remove, and just make sure that the language you want to remove is marked. Tap on the trash bin icon, tap on OK, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.